Noun. A noun is a part of speech used to identify name, quality and idea of a person, a place and a thing. Examples: teacher, boy, doctor, park, school, tiger, etc. Kinds of noun or types of noun. There are 5 types of noun: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun and abstract noun. Number 1. Proper noun. It is a name given to a particular person, place or thing. Proper nouns are written with capital letters regardless of where they appear in a sentence. Examples: John London, Tuesday, Toyota Google, United States, etc. Number 2. Common noun. It is a name given in common to every person or thing of the same kind. It is not name of a particular person, place or thing. Examples: dog, city, teacher, doctor, school, etc. Number 3. Collective noun. A noun used to refer a group or number of people, animals and things. It is singular in form but may take singular or plural verbs depending on the context. Examples: a team of players, a class of students, a bouquet of flowers, a pile of books, a flock of birds, a pack of wolves, etc. Number 4. Material noun. A noun that refers to a substance or material from which things are made. It is uncountable. Usually singular verb is used with them. Indefinite article is not used before them. Examples: milk, wheat, honey, cotton, tea, gold, iron, etc. Number 5. Abstract noun. A noun that represents quality, idea, concept or state. Commonly used as singular form. It exists in our thoughts or experiences, not in physical form. Examples: childhood, poverty, honesty, bravery, love, anger, freedom, justice, etc. To get more videos like, watch my channel and subscribe.